Let us take you through the step-by-step guide to installing the Mira Honesty ERD Mixer Shower. Start by isolating the water supplies. Decide on a suitable position for the shower unit and fittings and determine the direction and route of the water supply pipes. Once the supply pipes are installed, slide the plastic pipe guide provided over the pipes and level using a spirit level. Secure the pipe guide to the wall with tape to hold in position. Leave the guide in place and finish the wall. Ensure that the recessed supply pipes protrude 25 mm from the finished wall surface and are square to the wall. Slide the wall brackets over the supply pipes, hold in position, and mark the position of the fixing holes. Drill the holes, install the wall plugs, and fix the brackets to the wall using the screws supplied. Slide the olives over the pipes and install the connectors finger tight, then another 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Turn on the water supply and flush the pipework. Next, screw on the concealing plates. Check that the supplied sealing washers are in each inlet of the bar valve, then attach the bar valve to the wall brackets using a suitable spanner. Take care to avoid damage to the chrome finish. Now to install the fittings. Start by screwing the lower and middle bars together, then slide on the hose retaining ring and clamp bracket. Screw on the upper bar, then loosely slot the wall bracket into the riser arm. Push the lower bar fully into the top of the shower valve and ensure that the bar is fully engaged with the seal, preventing incorrect positioning of the wall bracket. Hold the riser bar assembly against the wall, checking it's vertical with a spirit level, and use the wall bracket as a template to mark the fixing hole positions. Remove the assembled bar and fixing bracket. Drill holes for the wall fixing bracket. Fit the wall plugs and loosely screw the bracket to the wall. Now, put the wall bracket concealing cover on the riser arm, then once again push the bar fully into the shower valve. Slot the riser arm onto the wall bracket. Fully tighten the wall bracket to the wall. Then push the wall bracket concealing cover so that it's firmly fixed to the wall bracket. Next, secure the riser arm with the grub screw using the hex key. Tighten the grub screw at the rear of the shower valve to secure the riser bar and fit the plug. Check that the sealing washer is in place, then install the overhead deluge. Finally, ensure that the sealing washers are present at each end of the shower hose, then screw the hose onto the shower valve. Put the hose through the hose retaining ring and then attach to the handset. Now your Mira Honesty ERD Mixer Shower is ready to use.